What is good, boys? It's your boy prodreps back with another video. Today we have two hoodies from Ripdog. Your boys Ripdog sent me over two hoodies, one denim tears, one spider. It was shipped with Fedex and it took about 1 week, which is pretty good. Pretty fast method. My link for like their website will be down below. All their information will be down below, and I've actually got a coupon code that you can use when you check out called PROD. That's prod for 10% off your haul. So if you guys want anything, all the information will be linked down below. Their WhatsApp, their email, their website, all linked down below, so definitely go check it out. And yeah, let's get into the first item. Okay, so the first item that we actually got, or the first hoodie that we actually got from Ripdog, was this 1-to-1 Atlanta spider hoodie. It's a very nice quality, very high quality. It's got the white puffy stars, you know, if it's like a puffy, it will be perfect. Let's take a look at the tag inside. The tag inside is actually perfect. Look at it right there. Got the spider, got it in a medium size, which is perfect. I definitely do recommend this if you guys want some 1-to-1 spider hoodies and like denim tears. This is the website you get it from. In my first video I did covering Ripdog, I talk about like denim tears and stuff, but you can also get spider hoodies on this. And yeah, look at that, look at the stars. You know it's good when it says like, and there's a small text on the stars on the sleeves, and you can see that says S, and that means it's 1-to-1. Only 1-to-1 hoodies say that, and it's just those fine details that just make it a whole lot better. And Ripdog definitely nailed it on this one. I definitely do recommend. This is the denim tears. I got it in a navy. I think it was also a medium size. It says just the best size to get. It's got the white denim tears on the navy, just looks absolutely perfect. Quality is 1-to-1. Look at the tagging, look at the quality. Definitely do recommend. Yeah, I got in a size medium. It says denim tears right there, and that green tag, just really nice. I definitely do recommend getting this. It's like just the quality on this is just really good. It's 100% cotton. I did notice that the actual like denim tear flowers are not like puffy, but I don't know if that's how it's meant to be. But ones I've had before were puffy, but I guess this is all good. Yeah, it's just a very nice hoodie. Definitely do recommend. Just the quality, it's like, it's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just perfect in the middle. Definitely do recommend. If you guys want this hoodie for the winter or anything, it will be linked down below. It's a really nice hoodie. Anyways, those were the two hoodies that we actually got from Ripdog. I definitely do recommend checking them out. All the information will be down below. Don't forget to use my coupon code PROD, that's PROD, for 10% off. All the information will be down below. Their IG account, their WhatsApp, their email, all their shipping methods, everything will be linked down below. So definitely go check that out. And if you guys want any of these items, I will also link them down below. Definitely go check them out.